Hi everybody. Wanted to give you a little update on our little Chico. We got some pretty devastating news. He has distemper on top of the parvo, and distemper is very elusive, and we really don't know how it's going to affect him. So far, it has not traveled to his nervous system or his brain. So the only thing you can really do for it is to keep him hydrated. Look at that face. Keep him hydrated. Then put him on a strong antibiotic, which he's on. And say a lot of prayers. Checking his fluids. He's still drinking. And he's still eating some. Yeah. It's just going to be a wait and see now to see if it goes to his brain and his nervous system. So everybody say a prayer. He's finding hard, but his immune system was already down to start with, so this didn't help matters. I think this is the first time in rescue that we've had parvo and distemper in the same puppies. So everybody keep saying prayers. The only thing I can say is this: whether he makes it or not, this little boy was loved. So whatever happens, it's in God's hands, and he'll go back to God. We just have to be here for him. We just have to be their angels. He's got nothing but love and affection and care and a soft bed. So we're all just going to pray. Yeah, there's our baby. So thank you so much for your prayers. I'm sorry this was a long time coming. I hate giving bad news because we all want to hear the happy stories. But, you know, his story isn't over yet. It's going to be a wait and see. And it's just going to have to be a wait and see. We're just going to do everything we can. And he's loved. There's my little boy. Thank you for your prayers. Say bye. Say I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm loved. Yeah. Whoops. I'm loved.